I'll let you know the ways to ship with Depop. So in order to ship with Depop, you just have to follow the steps. So first of all, you need to start with the listing. So for that, you need to go and log in into your Depop account and select the listing or the item that the purchaser has actually selected. Next thing what you have to do is you just need to make sure that you have actually selected the ship with Depop option in your listing before a buyer purchases the product. Then you need to print a Depop shipping label. This can be done with your PayPal account if it is fully verified. So you should be able to access. So as soon as you have actually made a seal, you should be able to locate the label. Then you need to go ahead and find all sold items and select the relevant transaction. You'll then be able to see your sale receipt and options to view my shipping label, and all you need to do is just click on the print and you'll be able to find the label. The Depop shipping will vary depending on what you're reselling and where the item is being sent. Sending something to local buyer is likely to be less expensive and sending it overseas. Similarly, something that's large and heavy will cost more shipping than something that's small and light. Now bear your shipping cost in mind when setting the selling price of your items, and do not forget to include an estimated foreign packaging material either. When you've made a sale, the amount you've charged should cover the shipping fees and materials, so you're not out of the pocket. So that's basically how you can ship with the Depop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.